I think there have been a lot of changes in my life. Obviously, as a teenager, I've never experienced a global pandemic, and I've only read about it in history books. So to actually experience one was really life-changing, and it helped me to realize things I took for granted, like going to school or just like hanging out with my friends in general. And it's just, I feel like it's kind of a cool experience at the same time because I could tell my kids about it, but it's also kind of tragic because of all the deaths that's happened. I don't necessarily think my thoughts have changed because I think I had such similar views to all the articles and topics we read about, but it has definitely improved my writing and my skills like research skills or editing and rewriting skills, expanded my knowledge on things that I didn't even know about because me knowing myself, I would never check news articles and stuff, and so the class really helped me to go out of my comfort zone and read news articles. There were a lot of topics that I found interesting because Mr. Derek, the teacher, doesn't necessarily just focus on one topic, he picks a variety. But my favorite one was the Black Lives Matter movement that we read about because that's obviously very relevant now due to the George Floyd incident, and I think it's important to educate yourself and others on the Black Lives Matter movement. I didn't know much about the movement. Then reading the articles helped me to realize what's actually happening and how many innocent Black lives are being taken.